Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which has broken this little downtrend that the market has been in for the past 7 weeks. But it's interesting that breaking downtrend doesn't really come with any real expectation that this is going to be an improving outlook, because you've got such a significant amount of overhead resistance areas on a technical basis. Now, obviously, first of all, you've got to note this $1.13 area where the downtrend comes in. That downtrend been in place since September last year. That's number one. Number two, look at this 55-day moving average, which was a basis of resistance back in February, a little bit of a breakout on March, but again came back in April, and that sits at 1260. 1265 is this reaction high here from the 1st of March. And not only that, look at the RSI. Let me get the crosshair on it. You can see how the fact that all of these rallies see the gains capped around 55 to 60 area throughout the last few months. So it's sort of getting into an area which you'd expect the market to start to struggle. So I'd be expecting that this area between around here, around this 1260 area, maybe even towards 13 big figure, but to be honest I think it's going to be underneath that, is where we're going to see the next lower high on this euro. And the market is just stumbling a little bit, nothing too decisive today, but just generally in keeping with how market moves have been really in recent weeks, where you see this little swing higher, and then that runs out of impetus and then falls over. I expect that to be the case in the coming days. You've got the hourly chart, which shows a bit of a pivot, actually, a bit of a near-term breakout pivot. Stuck the crosshair in at 12.10. You see consistently a turning point often with this market, and then having broken out, it becomes a basis of support. So initially supportive above that 1165, 1170 area. 1175 was that old key low from March. So you've got some support that has built on an initial basis, but if that starts to break down, I would start to consider that to be a bit of a selling opportunity, or sell signal certainly. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.